Hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia Education. As you know that ISRO released their shortlisting through the gate 2025. If you are from the electronics background and you are shortlisted for that, then I can say that you are completed your first step. Now next step is your interview, right? So basically if you are shortlisted for that, start your preparation for the interview, right? For the ISRO, that is very good interview. And today I am going to discuss about the electronics and communication, that which subject you have to prepare for the interview. Some actual interview question you can see behind me. So basically if I am talking about the ISRO, the main focus of ISRO is on satellite communication, wireless communication, right? Inside the satellite communication, the basics of the satellite communication which you can read from the ISRO website, right? What is the basic of satellite communication, which frequency band you can use for the satellite, which frequency band is used in satellite communication, wireless communication. So these are the most important subject which we are not cover inside the gate, right? For ISRO interview you should be prepared for that one. One more important subject is antenna, right? Antenna and EMFT. Inside the EMFT you should be focused on what? That Maxwell equation, EM wave, transmission line, waveguide and antenna. Antenna in depth, right? You can say more depth about the antenna, which antenna is used for satellite communication, why we are not using that, antenna array, antenna wave pattern, half power beam width, half power full beam width, full null, like that. These terminologies, how you can combine them, how you can decide the antenna height, like that factors. And another subject is radio and microwave communication, right? Microwave engineering you can say, right? Not radio, that is radar and microwave, right? If I am talking about radar, is also most important subject. Radar and microwave is most important. You have to know about the basic of these subjects, right? Also I can't say that only they will ask the question from in these subjects only, but they will also ask the questions from the analog electronics. Inside the analog electronics, biasing stabilization, right? You can say about operational amplifier, multi-vibrator, right? All of these you have to revise in depth. Inside the EDC also you can say they will ask the questions from the EDC, like types of semiconductor, EK diagram of semiconductor, direct band gap semiconductor, indirect band gap semiconductor, CMOS, NMOS, PMOS. You should know about this. One more thing, see, if I am talking about electronics candidate, in every subject you should know the basic of your network theory. So basics of your circuits you should know that one also, right? If you are going for ISRO. One more thing, the most important subject is linear control system, right? This is also an important subject. They will definitely ask you one or two questions from this linear control system, from the steady state error, controller, compensator. So go through that one. So these are the basic subject. Along with this, the basic knowledge of your digital electronics and microprocessor and microcontroller are important if your project is on that one. If your project is not on related to microprocessor and microcontroller, then they are not that much important. But these subject which I have discussed with you, satellite communication is more important, wireless communication is important because we didn't study these things in gate syllabus, radar and microwave important, antenna is most important, right? So just go through these subjects, prepare that one. And one more thing, if you want to prepare for the interview, YourPedia is already launched their module for the interview for ISRO, in which we are providing you lots of snap interview for subject wise preparation and mock interview. So start your preparation with YourPedia Education. Inside that you will get the actual interview experience and you will be well prepared before your final interview. So hopefully these subject, prepare this subject. Hopefully this video helps you. Thank you.